a new e-twinning project has launched called Safe Steps to the Future. Founded by Ebru Akkoyun from Turkey and co-founded by Milena Jasevic from Serbia. This initiative aims to enhance occupational safety awareness among vocational high school students. Students will learn to identify specific risks within their professional fields. Developing skills to analyze workplace hazards will be a key focus. Participants will gain practical knowledge about first aid and emergency procedures. An intercultural learning environment will be established through international cooperation. By comparing safety practices across different countries, students will broaden their understanding. The project also seeks to instill a lasting occupational safety culture. In addition, it aims to enhance students' social, cultural, and digital skills. Overall, Safe Steps to the Future brings together students from various backgrounds. Together they will build a safer, more aware workforce for the future.